Your car battery should easily give you 8 years or more of reliable service. Yet right now, over 70% of vehicles on the road are running on batteries that die way before their time, all because of cheap choices and everyday mistakes most drivers never see coming. Stick with me through this video and you'll never fall for those traps again. Today I'm breaking down the 5 battery brands you should avoid at all costs, then giving you the 7 brands that actually deliver 5, 6, even 8+ years of trouble-free performance. And at the very end I'll expose the single silent killer that destroys even the best batteries. Let's start with the ones you need to stay away from. Number 5. Budget store brands. You see them everywhere: no-name or house brand batteries sitting on the shelf with that suspiciously low price tag. They look like a smart deal until you dig deeper. Most of these are white label batteries. One factory pumps them out, then a dozen different stores slap their own sticker on top. Tomorrow the label changes, but the weak internals stay the same. You're usually getting thin lead plates, low reserve capacity, and anemic cold cranking amps. That means the battery is fighting for its life from day one. In hot climates especially, these things can quit in under 2 years, sometimes in just 12 to 18 months. Compare that to top-rated batteries that score in the high 80s and 90s in independent testing. Number 4. Everstart Value Line. A lot of drivers walk into Walmart, see the Everstart name, and assume they're getting the good stuff everyone talks about. Big mistake. Everstart has multiple tiers. Value is the absolute bottom rung, sitting well below Plus, Max, and Platinum. It's built for very basic, older cars with minimal electronics and light driving. Modern vehicles, they're power-hungry beasts with screens, sensors, cameras, and computers that keep sipping electricity even when the engine is off. The value line simply isn't engineered for that constant drain. It gets pulled down deeper than it should, struggles to recover, and slowly loses capacity. On top of that, the cheaper internal materials don't handle heat and road vibration nearly as well. Number 3. Older diehard models. This one stings because the diehard name used to mean bulletproof reliability. Years ago these batteries had a legendary reputation. Then Sears declined, the brand changed hands, and quality became wildly inconsistent. The trouble shows up most in the entry-level red line, older gold models, and pre-AGM flooded versions still floating around at different retailers. They look tough on the outside and the name still carries weight, but the internals haven't kept up with the old reputation. These flooded designs are extra sensitive to heat, vibration, and deep cycling. What used to last 4 or 5 years now starts giving problems much earlier for many owners. Number 2. Some Exide batteries. Exide is one of those brands people recommend without thinking twice. Just grab an Exide. That advice is dangerous because Exide makes everything from solid performers down to very basic flooded batteries. The entry-level ones you find in small shops and quick roadside installs are the problem. They're designed for affordability and fast replacement, not for the non-stop electrical demands of today's cars. After the first year, many drivers notice a gradual but noticeable decline: slower cranking, unpredictable mornings, that feeling something's just off. Number 1. Cheap no-name batteries. These are the absolute worst offenders. No real brand, no traceable history, no meaningful support. You find them in back alley shops, emergency jumpstart kits, and the cheapest online listings. They all promise just as good as the big brands. They're not. There's almost zero quality control or standardized testing. Some slap impressive-looking numbers on the label that they never actually deliver in real-world conditions. The warranty is usually a joke, short, hard to claim, or simply ignored. Inside, you're often dealing with recycled or low-grade materials that wear out fast. Now that we've covered the batteries that will cost you time and money, let's talk about the ones that actually deliver. Here are the 7 battery brands proven to last 5+ years when you treat them right. Number 7. Everstart Max. This is the turnaround story. Earlier we warned about the value line, but the Max tier is a completely different animal. This is Walmart's solid mid to high tier that millions of everyday drivers swear by. You're getting strong cranking power, often 700 to 850 cca, a decent 3-year free replacement warranty, and internals built for real daily driving, stop-and-go traffic, short trips, heat, vibration, and modern electronics. It holds a charge better, recovers faster, and simply lasts longer than the budget stuff. Plenty of owners report 5 to 8 years of reliable service across multiple vehicles. If you're looking for a trustworthy battery that won't break the bank, Number 6. AC Delco Gold or Professional. These aren't random aftermarket parts, they're tied directly to General Motors and engineered to the same standards many factory batteries are built to. That means excellent fit, balanced performance, and long-term reliability. The Gold and Professional lines hit that sweet spot, not the cheapest, not crazy expensive, but consistently solid across climates. If you drive a GM vehicle, Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, Buick, or even many other makes, these feel right at home. Particularly impressive is the AC Delco 49 AGM for trucks, SUVs, and high electrical demand vehicles. It's built from the start to handle bigger loads without being pushed to its limits. Number 5. Bosch batteries. Bosch doesn't get as much hype as some flashy brands, but they quietly deliver precision engineering you can trust. These batteries are built for steady, drama-free performance rather than marketing hype. You won't experience random weak mornings or sudden drops. The internal plate construction, vibration resistance, and controlled power output keep things consistent even on rough roads or in extreme temperatures. European car owners, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, Mercedes, often find Bosch matches their vehicle's electrical system perfectly, once drivers switch. Number 4. Interstate batteries. Interstate focuses on what actually matters: rock-solid reliability and consistency. The MTX 47H5 AGM, for example, scored an outstanding 91 in Consumer Reports testing, proof it performs under real conditions. These batteries shine in trucks, SUVs, and vehicles loaded with electronics. They handle vibration and heat extremely well, and the widespread availability plus strong support network makes replacements painless. Many owners regularly see 5 to 7 years of dependable service, making Interstate a smart. Number 3. Diehard Platinum AGM. The Diehard brand has redeemed itself with the Platinum AGM line. These batteries use advanced absorbent glass mat technology that resists vibration, holds a charge better, and performs reliably even after the car sits for days or faces extreme weather. The Platinum AGM H5 earned a 91 in Consumer Reports, excellent starting power and durability. Perfect for modern SUVs, trucks, and cars with heavy electrical demands. Install one of these and you stop worrying about random failures. Number 2. Odyssey batteries. Odyssey doesn't just promise performance, it delivers. The Performance AGM 94 RH7 scored a blistering 94 in Consumer Reports, putting it in elite territory. Thicker plates, robust internal design, and superior AGM technology let it handle deep discharges without sacrificing lifespan. That makes it ideal for trucks, off-road rigs, and vehicles with winches, big audio systems, or other power-hungry accessories. Number 1. Optima Red Top or Yellow Top. Optima earns the crown for many drivers because of its unique spiral cell technology that makes these batteries incredibly resistant to vibration and tough environments. The Red Top delivers massive starting power for cars and trucks with big engines. The Yellow Top is a deep-cycle champion built for repeated discharges and heavy accessory loads, think winches, premium audio, overlanding gear. Both handle extreme heat, cold, and rough roads without quick degradation. Many owners see 5 to 10 years of service. Whether you need raw cranking power or deep cycle capability, Optima gives you both in one incredibly durable package.